I seek refuge in Allah Ta'ala from Satan, the accursed, with the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Peace be upon all the holy prophets, if Allah wills, what Allah wills. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you. This being the second day of our Eid. And today's small topic is that there is one Christian activist, William Carmel Field. He wrote that there are contradictions in Quran in the above verses in a group named Islam and Christianity, the points of tension. According to him, the contradictions are because Satan is known as angel as well as jinn. For example, known as jinn in verse 1850 and known as angel in 234, 7, 11 and 12, chapter 15, verse 31, etc., etc., etc. So now the reply is, the Holy Quran very clearly says that Iblis, the Satan who refused to be to prostrate to Adam, his name was Iblis. The Holy Quran clearly says that he was an angel, and the Holy Quran clearly says that he was a jinn. Jinn means the creature made out of fire. Now the Holy Quran nowhere says that angels are made out of light. On the other hand, the Holy Quran says that angels can be made out of clay also. For example, the Holy Quran says in verse Al-Araf, chapter Al-Araf 7, verse number 20, the Satan whispered, "Your Lord did not forbid this tree, except that you become angel or become of the immortal." Now he tells to Adam that you will become an angel if you eat the fruit from this tree. So Adam was made out of clay, how could he become an angel? Now in Surah Hijr, chapter 15, verse 30-31, so all the angels prostrated except Iblis. So this means clearly that he was also an angel. Iblis was also an angel, because except Iblis means all the angels prostrated except Iblis, that is, Iblis is also an angel. Zukhruf, chapter 43, Zukhruf, verse number 60, if we willed, we would have made you angels succeeding one another on the earth. And if Allah says that if He would made angels out of men on this earth, they would succeed each other. And he also says about the Holy Prophet ﷺ in Surah Araf, verse number 9, and if we had made him an angel, we would have made him appear as a man. For example, the angels said, the messengers came to Prophet Ibrahim and they appeared like men. They also went to Prophet Lut, and there also they went in the shape of men, 3 men. So the point is that if the Holy Quran says that Satan was an angel, and the Holy Quran says that Satan was a jinn, there is no contradiction, because angels can be jinn. And it's not only my discovery, but I have lately come to find out that this has been said by many more people in the past, but people forgot what they had said and they remembered only the wrong version. And the correct version is all present in the old books, but it's all forgotten by the present learned people. For example, one Allama Abu Bakr Abdul Aziz, he said in his book Al-Tafsir, he has written that without doubt Iblis was an angel. So this famous man also considered Iblis an angel. And Hazrat Ibn Abbas, he has said that Iblis was an honorable angel. He was from the honorable tribe of angels, or and in another place he says, angels, among the angels there is one tribe which belongs to the jinns. Iblis was a member of this tribe, and also he says that that Iblis belonged to the tribe of angels who were known as jinn. And Ibn Kasir is also very important. He also said in his Ibn Tafsir, it is written about Ibn Abbas saying that Iblis, Sharif, honorable angels, he belonged to the honorable angels, and it is also said by him that Iblis belonged to one tribe of the angels, and he was and they were known as jinn. So they were made out of fire. So angel is actually a kind of a post in which mankind can also be there, jinns can also be, and whatever Allah knows could be there. So there is no contradiction in the Holy Quran. It is absolutely correct, and the Christians and the Jews are requested to respect this holy book of Islam, and not only respect this, but to accept the fact that it has come from the Creator of the heavens and the earth, and it must be believed upon and followed in the everyday life of men. So with this I take your leave, and Holy Quran Zindabad.